In this video, I share with you the products and the techniques that help you get a face filter effect with your makeup. So for those mornings where you feel you look really tired, this foundation has your back. Watch this. I don't even need to put concealer with this because this foundation conceals my dark circles so well, it saves me time because I don't need to apply concealer. This product I'm going to apply next gives a glow, it gives radiance, but it also gives lift and contour. Wait till you see the difference that this product makes to my skin. This is a clever little duo I've chosen because it looks so natural and it gives such an effective result. I want to share with you an eyeliner that is something a little bit different. It gives the depth of the black, but it gives a softer look, which in turn gives the eyes a much more kind of diffused, smoky look. It's a bit more sexy. If you're someone that's found their lashes have got thinner, more sparse, shorter as you've got older, then this primer is really going to make such a difference to how your lashes look. It will make every little lash look fuller, thicker and longer, ready for when you apply your mascara over the top. I'm going to use this Goddess mascara because it's a really intense black, which is going to make my lashes look fuller and thicker, but it's also going to volumize and curl my lashes. Watch this. As we get older, our lips can start to lose their definition, especially around the edges here. So I've chosen a dual-ended lip liner and a gloss that work together to create a really natural fullness back to your lips. So this is the final look. If you want to find out everything I've used and how I've used it, there's loads more information on my store, beautyandtheboutique.com. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't want you to miss any of my tips. So click subscribe today, plus hit the bell because then you'll get notified every time I have a new tip or product to share with you. And I'll see you again in another video. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Bye.